Welcome to another Hooptech how-to. Today we will show you how to adjust, install, and use your Slimline 1 clamping system. There are 3 components to your clamp: the adapter bracket, the chassis, and the windows. We have different adapter brackets for different machines. The Slimline 1 works with all major industrial embroidery machines. With the Slimline 1, there are 9 different window options to give your clamp maximum versatility. When you unpackage your windows, you should have 3 pieces. The bottom piece is yellow, and there is a silver and yellow top piece. For most applications, we use the silver piece. If you are working with a delicate material and need an even more gentle hold, use the yellow top. Your chassis should have come with the adapter bracket already attached, but if it didn't, don't worry. Just attach with 2 screws on the left side with a washer, and on the right side using 2 screws with the positive stop. Start by opening the clamp and sliding the bottom yellow piece under the round black knob on the chassis. Once it clicks into place, twist the knob down until it's tight. Then, take the silver top piece and attach it to the silver arms. You may need to squeeze the silver arms in slightly. Now that your window is on the chassis, you are ready to install it on your machine. Loosen the screws on each side of the chassis where your adapter bracket connects. You can do this with a 3mm Allen wrench. Every attachment rail is slightly different, but they all screw on the same. Line up your chassis so that the screws slide into where your tubular arms came out. Tighten the screws down so that the chassis is secure. The next thing we need to do before using the clamp is adjust the bracket. Push down on the chassis so that it's resting on the sew arm. While you are still applying light pressure to the chassis, take your Allen wrench and tighten the screws back. This will lock it into place. The mylar tape on the bottom of the chassis will protect your machine. Now you are ready to clamp your bags, blankets, towels, lunchboxes, backpacks, saddle pads, and so much more. Thanks for watching this Hooptech how-to. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more.